Now we're going to see what is the advantage of this stock index fund versus stock future trading. There are two things. Stock index funds is there, stock future trading is there. What is the difference between that? You will see. Mostly advantages. The stock index funds are popular financial derivatives over stock futures due to the following reasons. What? It had flexibility. It's create the possibility of speculative gain. It is more cost efficient hedging device. It cannot be easily manipulated. It is settled in cash. Regulated complexity is much less in it. It's provide hedging for a stock portfolio. They have saying many things. What is the stock index and stock future? Stock index is current, but the stock future is future trading. It's not today, but the settlement is it is in rupees in 15th of next month, 15th of next month one. Such a way this trading will be there. So in this, what is the it had flexibility. Rather I have a stock now, I can exchange with one, or I can sell it future day. Create a possibility of speculative gain. Speculating is usually gambling. So I have a stock. I see through the stock right now. If I sell it, I will get a higher price than the lesser price. Or seeing the variability, having a stock, not selling in the market, I can convert it into lot, and that lot can be traded. Trading, that is speculative gain. It's the most efficient hedging device because how it's a hedging device with this stock you have in market, you can directly sell it, or if you don't want a stock, you have a minimum amount. With that minimum amount, you can buy the stock because you don't need the full amount. You just require the 10 percentage of the amount is just required to trade in it. It cannot be easily manipulated because it's fully computerized. No one can hack it. It's settled in cash, not in something. Everything, every trade at the end of the day, T1 plus or T or a T or a T1 plus or a T1 plus 2. Within this 3 days, your transaction has been settled and money is in your account. Regularity complex. There is no complex regulation and all. If you have a stock with the prescribed quality, this can be taken to commodity center and you get certified, and that you can say this lot I have, and you will get it in paper, and you can go and trade it in the stock exchange. That is MCX. It provides hedging for stock portfolio. How it provides hedging? It's giving opportunity to sell it in the fair value rather than selling to any stock brokers which having less value. This is what advantage of stock future trading.